the manifestation of faith. We can come to the Lord with perfect assurance and trust. 1 John chapter 3 verse 21. The Bible teaches that faith will manifest itself in three ways. It will manifest itself in doctrine, in what you believe. It will manifest itself in worship, your communion with God and the fellowship of the church. It will manifest itself in morality, in the way you live and behave. The Bible also teaches that faith does not end with trust in Christ for your salvation. Faith continues. Faith grows. It may be weak at first, but it will become stronger as you begin to read the Bible, pray, go to church, and experience God's faithfulness in your Christian life. You will learn more and more how to rely on Christ for every need, in meeting every circumstance, and every trial. Prayer for the day. Your word teaches how greatly you desire for me to rely on your love and strength. I praise your name, my Lord and my Redeemer.